Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Harmony One, whose current price stands at the $0.023 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by negative 9.90%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, and I'll be basing my analysis on the Elliott waves and the Fibonacci's. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. I want to start the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. So we went to an all-time high in this Elliott wave pattern, having a wave 5 taking us to an all-time high, and then from the all-time high we started seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, and the ABC correction has now taken us to around the $0.0233 mark, and I believe Harmony One has done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see a reversal to the upper side, and every low might be the last low for us to see a reversal to the upper side. And I want to jump to the 4-hour chart so that we can see the key scenarios that can play out on this chart. Here on the 4-hour chart you can see that for the past few days we had been trading within this descending channel, and we broke to the lower side of that channel and also lost this support that we had at around the $0.03 mark, and now we are just about to touch a key area of support at around the $0.022 mark, and I believe this is a very crucial moment for Harmony One, because some of the key scenarios that can play out here might be the worst case scenarios for Harmony One. The first key scenario that can play out on this chart is that we can continue seeing lower prices on the Harmony One chart and go to around the $0.022 mark, where we have a key area of support, and in case we lose that key area of support and maybe have a retest of that area, the worst case scenario for Harmony One will be playing out, because the next support that we have is at around the $0.013 mark, and I believe that move won't play out because on the RSI we can see that we are massively oversold. So that means that we have room for us to continue pushing the market to the upper side, though we still have downward potential because we might break to the lower side of the RSI and go to around the 2020 mark. So it's still a possible move. If we also have a look at the MACD, you can see that on the MACD we are printing a bearish cross, and we are also losing market volume, and that would mean it's possible for us to see a downward move to the lower side. The other key scenario that can play out on this chart is that we can maybe go to this key area of support down here at around the $0.023 mark, and once we land on that key area we might find a support and have a bounce to the upper side, and that move can take us to around the $0.03 mark, and that is a key area of resistance at the moment. And if we manage to break to the upper side of that key area of resistance, we might have a retest of that area and push to the upper side, and that move can take us back to around the $0.05 mark. And for that move to play out, I also expect to continue seeing higher prices on the Bitcoin chart. So if we have a look at the Bitcoin chart, you can see we are trading below the $19,000 mark, and that is not good for Harmony One, because once you see continued sell-off on the Bitcoin chart, this market is also being affected, and we are unlocking even lower prices. So those are the key scenarios that can play out on the Harmony One chart, and I'll keep you updated on any movement on this chart.